the production.
So, this is how we're gonna start today's video. What are we doing, Sadiq? What are we doing?
We're hoovering the car.
Yo, that's what I mean, bro. The Dyson's out. Hashtag sponsored. Man's out. Nah, I ain't sponsored by them. Pagan, bro. Oh my! You pull all out, eh? Right. How do we tackle this? I'm always cleaning the outside of the car, but the inside hasn't been cleaned in about 3 months. So, the first procedure. This can be a how-to because no one knows how to clean the car. Don't do they, Sadiq?
No.
Nah, bro. This is like a... What can this be? This is like a... Because everyone knows how to clean a car. They're just watching me clean my car because I'm just a sick lad. Right. How are we going to tackle this? What are we looking for? Still a bit, isn't it? I'm gone now. Oh, fuck that. Alright, looking at a subway. What's going on? Ox, because the hashtag was this. Dre Beats ones sadly died. Did you know that? Gone now, innit? My God. You're supposed to be cleaning my damn car. Don't know. Paracetamols, look, taking them all. Might die. Never know. Yeah. How's it looking? Clean on air. Clean on air. That's good there, innit? Now, what else? How do I do this again? Oh. Keep that because I get parched. We got Kleenex. Might need them. Throw it down there. Keep that. And then, this is a good old... Whoa! Oh. It's still got the fuse in it. Not anymore. Not anymore. Dun. Alright. Hardware this. Fuck. Ain't even fucking done anything. Whoa, what's this? Mesh headlight film. What? How was it? How do you think? This is like some cheap eBay one. Shall I make a video of that? What do you think? What do you think? Nah. Actually, I could try it on one, and then the other one VHT it because I've got 3 more cans of VHT. That means them headlights, they go in black, bro. They go in black. They go in black. Ah, gosh. How long's that been there? Oh wait, it's just been open. Fresh that, want some? Right, we're done on this side. Come on, follow me, lad. Follow me, look. Oh shit. Right. Come on, quick. They're going to yeet. Right, that's all done. Put that there. Which one does it go in, City?
The blue one.
Are you sure?
Probably.
Yeah, it's paper, innit? See, man them recycles. Man's a recycle. Right, how do we do this? The dice doesn't even work. Yo, you're getting close with that camera, yo. Am I even in focus?
Oh no.
Yo, I swear down. Better not be shaky for you, bitch. I'll fuck you up. Right, what are we looking at here? Right, man like Dyson coming through. Man like, is that how you do it? Yo, come on, come on. Right, you see this? This monstrosity, what is this? What is it? What's this? Nah, get out of here. I'll leave that. Right, come on. Stay with me, lad. First of all, you want to check your surroundings? My God, we're getting wheat growing out of there. I thought I sanded this. Yeah. Decent. Look at that. Is that a good old wheat? Look at it, brand new. Showroom finish. Wait, do you want to jump? Wait. How would this look best? What if you sit in the passenger seat and then you film me from there? Yeah, shit on. Yeah, go in the. You fucking idiot. No, I'm looking. Cause you got a hoodie on, you idiot. It's like fuck 50 degrees out. Going on? Going on? No, damn, look at it! Taking on it! This shit, this! Look at that! Yeah, this shit over this. Yo, Dyson, fix up, lad. He was shit. He was trash. I don't need your sponsor. Don't sponsor me, lad. My, this is shit, this. Oh, look at it! This is trash. Look, it's not even sucking anything. Bro, look at it. Look at it. I have to get. Look at that! It should be sucking it in. Oh, this Uber is trash, bro. Ah! Oh, I can't be bothered. Oh, look at it. Not even clean that. Ah, get off me, lad, I'm getting attacked. Look at this. Can you see it working today? Down off. What was that? How's it looking? Looking alright. Yo, clean this car, huh? Alright, eh? And then over here, I want to give this a good old. Oh, down, boy. You know how to pick that bit. This is beyond shit, this Uber. How's it looking here? Whoa, is it? Hold up. What's going on here? Versace. Alright. Do you want some? You just sweaty motherfucker. Right. Flipping hell, it's still dirty. Can you see that in the camera? Ain't fucking clean that. But, this is what I mean. I'm working with a broken Hoover here. Just yeah, stay with me, fellas. Fellas. And girls and... What am I doing? I'm confused. You're right, come on this way. You Hey, close your door as well. Hey, the key's not in, it's not gonna work. They're messing about. Wow, come on. Oh yeah, you're already recording, aren't you? What am I doing? I'm losing it. I'm losing it. Oh, down. Mate, this Uber's beyond shit. Look at that. Are you doing anything? Have we got another one?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't lazy ass? I'm not working with him. I'm not working with him. Oh damn. How are they looking? Looking alright. He's not picking anything up. This is trash. Oh, down. You see how I'm maneuvering around the automobile? Only a professional could do this. I should get paid to clean cars. Look at this, already spotless. Got a few there, but me alright. Actually, no one even sits at the back. How the hell is this dirty when no one gets in it? Going on it? I think you're putting shit in my car. They'll do that. Look at that. Brand. Wait, is that? Look at that, brand new. Right, good. Right, good. I'll do that. Okay. Can I spick and span that? Wait. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So how do I tackle that? What is this? Look at it. What do you think?
Yeah.
I jump out. I think I've got it. I've got the solution. Come on. What am I doing? Sure, I had a brush for this. Sure, I had one. I don't know what to do. This is what you do. Look. Come on. Grab it in. Just fucking give it a good old yeet. Give it a good old yeet. That'll do that, innit? My god, this is grass and shit. Don't you think, Sadiq? Yeah. Man's alright. Man's alright. What's this? What's this? Look at it! Oh! Down, boy! Down, boy! Yeah. Ah! Look at it! Oh, that'll do that. That'll do. Spick and span that. Spick and bloody span. And then what you want to do here, folks, are you with me, folks? You want to just stick it in there, you see? Yes, now it's secure. Yeah. How long are we rolling for, eh?
13 minutes.
Fuck it! No, you 13 minutes, my ass. No, he hasn't. 30 minutes already? I know how to milk it. 30 minutes? Sure, it's been like 5.
No.
At least. Right. This is where we got hurry. Oh my gosh. Look at, show the people the clouds. What are we working with there? Oh yes, carry on. Come on. Come on. Give us a good old yeet. Yo, look at him. He's on the run. There we go. Look at it. I need to get better at that. I'm losing it. Oh my gosh. My gosh. That's fun, that. Clean as a whistle. Now, come with me. Come with me. Get out of my way. Get out of my way, woman. Get off my case, woman. Now look at this. Transformation. Like, like, you know what I mean? Like night and day. And that's what I mean. I'm a professional. I'm just a pro at this. So I think we'll end it here. I don't know what this was. I don't think it was a how-to. You learned fuck all. No, you didn't learn nothing. But yeah. Also, what is this though? Because now I bought 3 more cans of VHT because. Why do I keep saying because? But I don't know where I got this from. What's going on with this? How long's that been there? What I'm thinking is, we could, like the car needs to clean as well, but what I'm thinking is, we could do one of these on this first. I've never done one. This is the eBay one. This cost about £2.50. You know it's going to be trash. It ain't going to be nothing. So, I'm not even going to use this, bro. What am I talking about? I'm going to VHT these, so everything's going gloss black. Also, come with me. Come. Now it looks like, I looked at the weather and it did say it's going to rain tomorrow. So that means it's going to rain tomorrow. I don't like this. How it's matte black. I want to take this off, sand it all down, and then... Wait, there's a traffic noise coming in. Wait, can you see me in the camera or am I all black?
Yeah, I can see.
Alright, yeah. So that's going to go all gloss black. I'm going to end this video here. The next video I don't know what's going on, because what I did say, what I was going to do on a sunny day was wash the car, bring it out in the car park and show you the difference, because yeah, this side's machine polished, that side didn't, but I don't know if it's going to rain today, and then tomorrow it's going to rain, and then the day after that I have work, so I don't do this full time. So then I don't know what's going on. But next video I don't have a clue what's going on. Most likely I'm not going to wash the whole car, I can't be bothered. I'll probably just VHT the front headlights. What do you think? Because if it does rain I can put it under there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're tired as hell, aren't you? You're regretting wearing that hoodie, aren't you? Alright, we're going to end this video here. Don't know what you learned, but yeah, that's it. Morning.